everybody. Oh, what time is it? Let's have a look. Oh, it's 20 to 7 and the sun is shining. Woohoo! Oh, it's a lovely morning. Bird activity over there. It's lovely how they get so close. I have seen the robin, but that was just as I was coming in. I'm hoping he'll visit. Yeah, coffee and then tasks for the day. I do need to clear all this wood that's kind of gathering. The only thing about this wood is you're not allowed to have your own bonfires on the plots. They have an annual one because of we're sort of surrounded by residents, and so they kind of control that. Whereas you used to be able to do that. Well, in my old allotments. Yeah, a load of wood, and that does a sort of I suppose it's a bit of a slug snail harbour as well. So that's. And our local dump, you have an appointment system now. You have to make an appointment to go to the dump to take rubbish, which is it's kind of a disincentive, really, isn't it? Especially if you're scheduling it in. I mean, you have to get your mind around that and sort of do it, I suppose. And I bought some plastic bottles of tops so that I can kind of get rid of Rosie's balls. So when she comes back another time, there's nothing there to make her think, ooh. Thank you, Bimbo Clack, aka Jim, for your super thanks. Thank you very much for that. Cheers. That's much appreciated. I'll say it's kind of this umbrella of 2 channels. It's difficult with Patreon and super thanks because this isn't monetized, this channel, but obviously my cooking one is. But I know Jim watches this one, so thank you, Jim. And this will go out. When is this going out? Yeah, this will be out before the next cooking vlog. Right, let's have a tour. Can you see the robin? Just there. That was so good. I hope it caught him singing, because that was actually quite beautiful. I moved. Oh no. Oh, I've only been here 5 minutes. He's heard me talking. That's amazing. I'm so impressed. This has brought me onto an idea I had last night. I'd like to get a wildlife camera, because it seems like a good idea. Yeah, and what else? Oh, a bird feeder, especially for robins and sort of small birds, and have them hanging up here high, like attached somehow. And we need to sort of think about water source for them. Oh, the robin's over there. Oh, this is so good. Right, we've got to get organised. You're not going to get anything done just watching my robin all day. Right, jobs. I've got some bottle tops for the cauliflower bed. Right, let's get this wedding veil off. And put it back properly. Let's do this side first, I suppose. I need more. I've only got 3, but never mind. 3 will do for the top of these. I don't know if this is going to work, actually. Oh, let's think. otherwise it won't stay on. That's better. Right, let's do the other side before I put the wedding veil back in place. Yeah, plans to go to B&Q, get water pipe. So this is just a temporary fixture, but I'd rather, if Rosie comes before I manage to get to B&Q, it's good to have these tennis balls out of sight so she doesn't go trampling on the cauliflower bed again. Right. Yeah, it'll do. I do need more. But luckily, I like sparkling water, so this is what this is from. Whew. Right, as a temporary measure, because I can see it's tearing, I'm going to borrow Rosie's balls, that sounds wrong, and bring more bottle tops tomorrow. It's just because they're tearing the fabric, it's quite fragile. Where's that? Was it on that side? Can't think. This was on this side. Oh, always dropping my glasses. Right, next job. What did I say? Let's clear this sweet corn bed.